Hi, last week I released a video with some animation incorporated in it, so I decided to put together this short tutorial to show how I use the free FlipaClip app to create the animation. It's a free app and you can pay I think $6.99 to upgrade to the full version that will give you more features, but the free version will do quite a bit. So here's the video, the first animation that I have in that video. And if you like to check out the full the video, there's a link up on the corner here that will take you to the video. But this is the first animation in that video, and I'll show you how I did that. And to start the project, you just click the plus sign in the corner and name your project. And then after that, you can choose your background. And I chose this wrinkled paper background. And for the canvas size, I had it at YouTube 720p, which is quite sufficient. And the frame rate is 12 frames per second. And just click the create project. And with your fingers, you can actually resize the canvas. And on the left hand side here, you have the pen tool. You can choose any of these 4 pens. And the next icon is for you to change the size of your pen. And this is the undo button, and this is where you can choose the color. If you tap this icon, it will take you back to the main menu, and this is the eraser tool, and this is the select tool, and this is the paint bucket tool. We can choose different colors, and this is the text tool. So basically I started with drawing a character. And the tempo I used was 3 frames of the same drawing. So I just copy and paste. So basically you have 3 exact same frames. And on the next one, I add the first bubble, and I just copy and paste again 3 times. And on the 4th one, I add the next bubble. And the next one, I add another big bubble. And right here, this is where I add the text. Movie. And you can choose your font here if you like. And you can resize it. And then just tap an open space, it will confirm it. And if you drag this, you can see the changes, or you can click the play button. So it will do this. And from here on, I'm gonna make him move. So right here, I'm gonna take out these bubbles. Actually, it wasn't a clear. So you just tap this delete button. I'm gonna copy this 3 times again. And from here, I'm gonna move this character up and copy 3 times. And I'm going to move it down. Move it up again. Down. So now you can play back. And that's how the animation came out. So that animation didn't involve any layers. It was a really simple one. But when you want to add some backgrounds in my video, I had a building with the car driving by. So to achieve that, you need to use layer option. So from here, I add a new layer. Well, actually, this is the first layer. I'm going to draw a building here. And I'm going to copy 3 times. Actually, I'm going to copy it multiple times because this building won't be moving. Now I had to start with where the car stops right in front of the building, because when you copy and paste the car moving out of frame, it's gonna get chopped off. You'll see right here. So right here, when I add a layer, I'm gonna start drawing the car. And because there's 2 layers here, you need to fill in the color. You need to add colors so it doesn't show the background. And I'm just gonna copy and paste this 3 times. Copy, paste. And from this point, I'm going to move the vehicle back. I'm going to copy again. Back again. Back again. Now, when you play back, this will show the car moving in. And so here I'm going to add a person coming out of the vehicle. Oops. You can change the opacity of the other layers so it doesn't show by dragging the percentage on the right. Now I'm going to color the person. If you have an empty, if you have a gap, it's gonna spill the color to the rest of the canvas, so you have to make sure there's no gap in these areas. Alright, I'm going to change the opacity to 100% again. And now, since I'm gonna make this person walk, I'm gonna copy this whole layer, whole frame. Now I can shrink this person as if he's walking inside. Now I deleted this person so as if it disappeared into the door and into the building. So this is how it came out. And when you're done, just click here on the top right hand corner and do a make movie. And I purchased the upgraded version so I can take out the watermark. Otherwise it will just be there. And just do a make movie. And you can share it by sending an email, or you can just go to the main page again and then play back your video. Hope this video is helpful for you to create your own animation. And if you like this video, please click the like button. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.